Hi guys, this is Talia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to do a plan with me in my mini for the week of, I don't know what week we are. The last week of January, from the 26th to the 1st. 26th to the 1st. So this is this week. Let's put that out. Let's move this over here. We're gonna be using these stickers that I received as a gift from Lip Love Posh when I did my Black Friday order. So we're gonna use these stickers. There's a mix of clear with paper. And I think we're gonna use this. We're gonna use this. So let's do this right here. Today is Saturday and we are on the winter storm watch. Nothing has happened yet. It's cold as hell, but nothing has happened. So we don't know how Monday is gonna look. Let me keep my planner open here so I can see I don't have nothing this week, like every week. I don't have nothing never, so I don't know why I planned, because I never had nothing. It's just for the fun of decorating, I guess. And I didn't bring boxes, so I am going to use the boxes they are here, because I didn't bring no boxes and I'm not going to get up. So we're going to be using, let's decorate first. I want to use this kind of thingy. Right here. Or should I put it right here? I'm gonna put it right in the middle. So we're gonna put that there. Let's see what else. It has some I want to use some floral. I'm gonna go with the clear with the floral. I love my floral clear. We're gonna put this one right here, right in the middle. Well, no, because I need to put the boxes, and I'm gonna be using those big boxes. So let's put this right here on Monday. All right, and then we're gonna put this one over here Friday and on Saturday and Friday. I didn't bring dated. I didn't bring nothing. So, oh my God. So I dated after. Let's see. That's her birthday on Tuesday. So I'm gonna put this one so I could put a little reminder so I could congratulate the person, right? We're gonna put it there. Other than that, I don't have nothing. It's not pay week. I don't have nothing at all. So let's put this box for Friday. I have this one over here. So let's put this box for Friday. And then let's put for Thursday. Let's put this one here for Thursday. I'll put it together with that one, like that. Just in case something, I don't think, I'm still waiting for some packages, but they haven't arrived. So we're gonna put those floral there. We're gonna put this floral over here. What else? We're gonna put we could put, wait, I want to put some of this stuff. So that's the floral. I want to put some of this right here. I just picked randomly. I wasn't ready for this. I've been doing stickers. Well, creating a template for my monthly sticker for Planner Envy, and that took me all afternoon because I started around 12:30 and I finished a few minutes ago because I had to print them and make sure that they are correct. Let's see. So yeah, put that there. I like this, so we're gonna put it right here. You're taking Sunday, but I got this space, and again, if I need this space, I will use a daily that I haven't used. I really don't like this spread, but we're gonna keep going. It's 1 week. We're gonna keep rolling. It will be fine for next to next week. It's like random. It is random, so we're gonna put this floral here, and maybe this one here. I really don't like it, but we're gonna go with it. I think that's it. Let's see. There's a quote here. Didn't need space for it, so let's see, where can I put this? Let's put this little one over here. Love yourself. So that's just a quick and easy. Let's put some little dots in case I need something else. So we're gonna put a dot, 2 dots there. Not my fave spread, but we're gonna keep moving. It's fine. That's what I get for not being prepared. So let's put that there. Okay, so I took Sunday space, so whatever. Let's put one. I put here in these boxes stuff, like, but I write it down, and it didn't, if I didn't accomplish that on that day, I just move it to the next day. You don't have to be I mean, I keep it there and I do it when I do it. It's just a planner. So we're gonna put that there, and 2 things, and then we're gonna put over here. I didn't even left stickers for the, but I'm gonna put it in my big one, like my garbage day and none of that. This is more on the go. I'm trying to just use this for on the go, so I don't repeat what I, you know, in both planners the same thing. So that's why doesn't matter if I don't have space for Sunday, because then I got the big one to do. So that's it. That's how I'm gonna leave on that. I didn't bring dates. I will date it. Oh yeah, I do have dates here. Hold on. I have my calendar binder here. So, and I had date dots here. So, and it's the 26th. Do I have pink? Not pink. Not pink. Yeah, I do have pink numbers. So we're gonna use, let's use this. use, let's see if I don't break them. So we got 26, which it looks like it's been through hell. 27. That's my next thing I do, but the numbers takes a lot of time, and especially if I want to do different fonts and different color, it takes a lot of time. $31. Come on, don't break off the number 1. I need number 1. Oh my God, it did but you know, I lost the glue of it, but you know what? I'm not gonna remove all those. I'm just gonna put a little dot of glue here and use this one because I don't have another one. So we're gonna glue it. And that is my spread for this week. Not my favorite, like I said, but we're gonna run with it because it's only for 1 week, and then we turn the page, right? I cannot put nothing else there. I put all the stuff that I need to do in my big one. Again, I use these are like little random stickers that they were giving out, I guess for Black Friday. So I use that. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let's put it in my planner. And that is next week already in my book. So let's cut that. Okay, so just cutting this because I don't even have the punch here. Okay, so that is this week in the book. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye now.